So what's up, guys? In this video I'm adding this light right here. It's pretty simple, really simple. The kit that I brought kind of provided this thing right here that and they both provided the little ply orange bar here. You pry this down, you run this here. You have to pull the weather stripping down. I'm gonna show the other side, but not too much because remember this has airbags, right? I tested the light before installing. That would be the smartest thing to do. But yeah, so you kind of fish this here with the weather stripping down, and then you kind of just tuck that wire in, and this is what the kit comes with. So you take your footwell light, right? You disconnect your footwell light and you connect this into your footwell light. This here, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do the other side right now, and I'm gonna get some footage so you guys can see how easy this thing is. Pretty cool upgrade. That's like I said, right? Let's jump into this side. You're gonna pull this off to like maybe, I would say like right here, half the door, you see? And then you have to pull this. This is 4 clips. You want to make sure you don't break anything, so you gotta take your time. You see? And this comes off, and then slide down. Move this out the way. Move this seat here. You move this seat all the way back. You see it up there? Ooh, nice. Right here, you twist lefty loosey, lefty loosey. Once you get that down, nice little snug down, that should be it. Here, this is what I'm telling you guys you have to do. You have to disconnect this right here, right? You're gonna grab the adapter, which is this, right? So obviously I can't do it with 2 hands. Give me 1 second. Bam. Right, your light goes back on. Now you run this like this, right? And then you run this. But like I said, you should always try your lights on first, which is this step right here. Okay, 1 second. Your lights, you see that they work. And then you have to run this wire. So I'm gonna show you how to, I'm gonna untangle this and get to it. I did it. You go right here. You kind of wanna just shove this in here. That should be enough, right? Sorry. This is how I did it, right here. It should be enough. Then you're going to feed this plastic wire and look for it on this side. As you guys can see right there how it came out, right? Let me use my 2 hands. Okay, you guys see right there, right there. Now grab yourself some electrical tape. You're gonna have to tape this end. Remember, this end stays up to the light, so you don't want to tape this on. You have to tape this end right here. I want to show you right now how it looks. Okay, so you want to have it taped like that. You want to help it in. You don't want to force it because you don't want to break the clip, right? Once you get that, you kind of just, I can't do this with 2 hands. You kind of just, look, bam, right there. You want to pull this up You want it now. I'm gonna show you guys how I connect the light and how I got the light in here. Here's the finished product.